Hello mga maring! Kamusta kayo dyan? Papunta ako ngayon sa Walmart mga maring dahil gagawa ako ng fruit salad today. Bibili ako ng prutas. Grabe yung init ngayon kasi summer na nga dito. Masusunog talaga ang balat mo. Yung ilang minuto ka lang sa labas ay sasakit talaga ang ulo mo. Yan yung nararanasan ko dito pag konting oras lang na nasa labas ako, sumasakit yung ulo ko. Tapos yung bato ko dito, umiinit. Kasama ko ngayon ang dalawang bata. Wala na silang klase. So, ayan. Natanggap ko na pala yung letter galing sa school na acceptance letter sa anak, para sa anak ko na magpre-pre-K. So, na-accept siya sa pre-K. Tapos yung school nila is August 1 mag-start. May nagbebenta ng watermelon sa labas. Dito tayo sa kanilang mga towels area.
Mommy,
Mm.
wake up!
Oh, that's for juice.
Mommy,
Dami na silang pang summer na mga items. Meron silang ice pop. Oh, cute. Mga ice tray molder. Tapos snow cone. Meron ding yung ikaw yung gagawa ng ng ice cream. Yan. Ice cream mix. Tapos merong strawberry flavor. Ito naman, ano kaya to? Water is your favorite beverage. Water bottle. Okay, let's go this way.
this is for cake. You spray on.
Oh, yeah, that's a dust for cakes.
No, I really want it for my
Sprinkles.
birthday. I really want it for my birthday.
So, we'll wait for your birthday. Kukuha tayo ng cake mix. Itong red velvet. Tsaka whipped frosting.
Mama.
Ayan. Nalulutuin ko yan sa Father's Day. Ngayong weekend na pala yung Father's Day, mga maring.
Mommy.
Ang daming frosting dito. May fluffy, caramel latte. Wow. Matry nga to, no?
Mommy,
Caramel latte. Wait, be. Kuha tayo ng white. Or, dami kasi, may carrot, French vanilla, gingerbread, super moist cake mix. Try natin tong white. Tapos, caramel latte na frosting. Yan.
Mommy, I see the number 8.
Nandito na tayo sa coffee section. Ang mahal pala ng mga kape. O, yung malaki ba? $9.
Use this. Mommy, so I go, you use this. I think that's
Kuha tayo ng isang bread lang muna.
Mommy, do you
Yung bread dito, $1 yung isa.
You still have
1.42.
creamer?
You
still have creamer?
Yeah, I still have creamer.
Then just get a more coffee.
Dito naman yung Hawaiian bread nila. O, masarap to mga maring. Dinner rolls yung tawag nila nito. Ito yung kinakain daw ni Lisa. Yung sa, ano yun? Blackpink.
Mommy, this is coffee because this is for coffee.
That's coffee.
Got yours.
Oh my god, where did you get that?
Okay, now from
Plastic rolls. Yeah, we will get Ziploc. So when you bring snacks, the sandwich size Ziplocs. Find it. May sandwich bag.
Lily.
Meron ding snack bags. Portion. Ito naman yung square. So, yung square na lang yung kukunin natin. Para sa mga bata, pag magdadala sila ng mga snack sa bahay, ay sa sasakyan. Yan. Sandwich bag, double zipper. Ito siya, $2. Marshmallow right now.
This marshmallow so cute.
Yeah, this is color.
I want it.
Fruity fun.
I
Orange.
want it.
Okay, we'll just get one. Only one. That's it.
Should we get it?
Okay, we will get evaporated milk. This one here. There's 2. Okay. Oh, meron sila ditong cornbread. Sweet yellow cornbread. You mix this one. Seedless watermelon. That's really big, B. It's too big. This one here. Sobrang laki. What?
Can we get some more of this?
Grapefruit melon. What?
Can we get some more of that? Like, it's like a circle. It's like a little spiky thing. And there's yellow and there's a big seed. What's that called?
I don't know. Okay, kuha tayo ng papaya. Yung papaya nila, $1 per pound. There's
It's melon
cantaloupe,
golden
may
juice.
saging.
No, we got it from that way.
What is that yellow?
Let me
What's
see.
Melon
Oh, there's
golden
no
dew.
tab.
That's a melon. Melon golden dew. Just the name. And there's a mini melon here. That's cantaloupe. Yeah,
Mommy.
$2 each. Let's go. Tayo na. Kamatis.
That's not a
Dami kamatis. So red. We'll just get one bag. Let's go. Some banana.
Oh my god.
Get some onion here.
Mother's Day.
Right there. Onion. How much is this? $3, 3 pounds. Let's go. Time to put the groceries. Don't throw it, Bing. You.
Hi, Mommy.
Hello, Lily. Yeah, sobrang init. So, yung prutas ilalagay ko dito sa bag.
Here's your Kinder Joy. Lily, your Kinder Joy. We got
Meron kayo.
Lay's.
Got chips.
Lay's.
Okay. At bumili na ako mga maring ng cornmeal mix. So, ito yung kumbaga corn flour. Ito yung ginagawa nilang bread pang pang dinner, breakfast. Tawag nila ay cornmeal. Mais. At saka
Marshmallow.
calcium vitamins.
And
Marshmallow.
Let me talk about that. We have
And
Bread.
Oreo.
an Oreo.
Ay, lagyan natin. Oreo should be like that. Ay, put it on the floor.
And if you like tomato, we have tomato.
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 Tomato. Ayan. We're done. Did you eat your chocolate, Lily? Lalagay ko na sa harap tong bread at
And
saka
then I put in the cart back.
return the cart. Right there. Watch out for the cars. Just look left and right. Go. Hurry up. Ayan, it's 4:49 na mga maring. Natapos din kami. So ngayon pupunta kami dyan sa harap. May mga pato. So doon kami mag-standby muna dahil ayoko pang umuwi. We're just gonna see the ducks. Park tayo dito.
Oh, doggy! My duck
ducks.
is looking at us, driving.
Yan, nandun na yung mga pato, mga maring, oh. Ito yung pinuntahan namin last time. Ayan, alam nila na may tao, kaya pumupunta na sila dito. Kumakain kasi yung anak ko. Hala, sumusulong na sila. Nandito na sila sa malapit. Yan, oh, lalaki ng mga pato nila. Ito siya, iba yung kulay niya. They're coming, Lily.
No.
They are gonna get you. They're not gonna bite. Sulong.
I'm so scared of the dog.
Yeah, tambay muna kami dito sa sasakyan.
College.
Dito sa may may college. Maliit lang naman siya na college. So dito tayo magpahangin. May mga
I wish we
kahoy.
could go to the big pond.
Yung isa dito kumakain ng chocolate. Where are they, Lily? They went back. Yeah, because you're not giving them food.
Go. Let's go in here.
Punta tayo sa kabilang banda, mga maring. Yung mga pato, tumatawid sila dyan. Ayun, oh. Pumunta sila sa kabilang pond.
No, we go there.
Dito, okay, dito, okay, may there's a tree. Oh, meron pa doon, oh. Wala, ang daming mga
Two.
feather. Wala, nakatangtang na ilang mga feathers. May alligator kaya dito?
No better.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Is
feathers.
there a crocodile there?
I don't know, maybe. Oh, they're coming.
Why?
They're swimming.
I said four.
Don't put the feather there, B. No.
Oh no.
They thought you have food. Maraming mga fish din, mga isda. Yung ibang tao nagpi-fishing dito.
Oh, another
Yung mga
feather.
fish. Muddy lang yung
That's so muddy.
I know, it's muddy. Muddy yung tubig.
That's your feeder.
Dito pwede di pwede mag-swimming dito.
Let's blow a stick.
Ang
Let's
ganda
blow a stick
dito,
then.
oh. Ang ganda, mga maring.
Oh,
Puntahan natin ditong banda, mga maring. Ang daming mga mga poop. Mga pupo ng pato. Nandito tayo sa likod ng college. Grabe, sobrang init. Alas 5 na ng hapon, pero parang alas 12, mga maring. Grabe yung init. Yeah. Parang lumalagas na yung mga feather ng pato. Siguro kasi summer na, mainit. Ayan, oh, ang daming feather nila. Ang dami na nilang nakuha ng mga feathers, mga maring, oh. Nag-collect sila ng mga feathers. Nanglalagas pala ng buhok ng feathers yung mga pato. Hey, don't go near the water, babe. Ayan, oh, mga feather nila. Kunin natin to.
no, that's fine. That's
Okay, one for you. Give the other one to Lily.
the small one.
Okay.